And so remember that this is just like putting up an umbrella light or some other kind of soft light, because you can see that the fall off occurs just in the real world way. It's brighter here and then it falls off pretty dramatically as you move away from the white card. So knowing that, let's do this. Let's add a second white card, and what we'll see happen is what would happen in the real world, where if you have one white card on one side and one on the other, then you'll get a bounce effect from one white card to the other.